What's up? This is Steve with IMTS Plus. I'm here with Craig at Fortify. Craig, what's new for 22?
Yeah, so we just started up our contract manufacturing services. So that's a big one. We're doing injection molding in-house, anywhere from 5 to 10 parts, all the way up to just under 1,000.
Right.
So that's the biggest new thing we have.
Gotcha. Is this a new machine behind me?
Yeah, so that's the production series printer. So
Gotcha.
a couple major changes on this machine, mostly cosmetic, but a lot of internal hardware stuff that I can't really talk about.
Sure.
But yeah,
sure.
really, really cool stuff.
Now tell us, what is Fortify's bread and butter?
Sure. So on the outside, we're a machine OEM. We're a materials manufacturer. Like I said before, we do some contract manufacturing as well. What we really are, though, is a solutions and applications-based company. So what we're trying to do is not only bring you a machine and bring you a material that does a job really well, we're also trying to give you the full entire workflow so that when you get it, we're prepared with experts to help you out from the very beginning. So we do that with injection molding, our oldest application. Then RF, we have an RF engineer on staff. We have injection molding engineers on staff. So what we're really trying to do is make sure that you hit the ground running as soon as you have a printer.
Gotcha. Tell me more about magnetic alignment, though.
Sure. So I'm an injection molding guy. My background's all in plastics manufacturing, so I can speak very not technically about magnetic alignment. But basically what we do is throw a magnetic field during each layer that we print. And for molding, we align in the Z-axis. We have another machine called the Flux 3D that we align in all three axes, and that's mostly for materials development where you can tune certain properties based on the magnetic alignment of the fibers in each layer. And we can actually align by the voxel, which is really interesting.
But you guys can actually tailor the magnetic alignment and individual areas down to the voxel, which is a really big deal.
Yeah, we actually have some parts here on show, so if anyone comes by the booth, we actually have some parts where you can see the color change. That's only from layer or magnetic alignment via the voxel. Gotcha. So it's in the same layer, you're seeing two different colors just from magnetic alignment.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, for those who can attend IMTS or those who are attending and haven't been here yet, what would be their key reason to come here, or if they can't make it, what would be their key takeaway for Fortify?
Yeah, so we're doing something really different. We're printing really, really high viscosity filled materials. So we're printing composites. And I think that's a really unique feature that you come here and you learn more about. And then there's a lot of really cool ways to interface with our technology. And that's something that you can learn by coming to the booth or visiting our website.
Craig, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This is Steve with IMTS Plus. We're at IMTS 2022. See you around.